Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with me Vandita. In this video I'm going to show you this beautiful pattern. This is single crochet pattern and it looks like a knitting. So let's start. For this pattern I'm using this 4-ply wool and I'm using double like this, and with this wool I'm using 8 number crochet which is 5 mm. So let's start. We will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. Okay, I'm making 20 chains for this pattern. After 20 chains I'm joining this with very first chain with a slip stitch like this. Chain 1 and start to make single crochet in every chain or single crochet basic line. Okay, after single crochet basic line I am joining with a slip stitch like this. Chain 1. We basically make single crochet into this chain or into this space, but in this pattern we will make single crochet between this V shape like this. I'm not making single crochet into this space or in this space. I'm making single crochet between V like this. Like this. This will look like we are knitting with crochet like this. Make this pad stitch with loose hand, don't make it with tight hand. And last we'll make a slip stitch to joining. Chain 1 and start again single crochet between this V stitch like this. This is very cozy pattern. This is really good for babies. This will look like this. I'm showing you from the back side also. This is back side, and you can see the coziness of this pattern. This is really very cozy, and this is really very soft and very smooth pattern. So I hope you like this video. Please like this video and share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for more videos and pattern. Thank you. Keep watching.